Good morning, guys. How are we all doing? Hope we all had a wonderful night's rest. Yesterday we had a pretty lovely day for the Euro USD as we saw some downward movement, some downward push from this 3 monthly open, which is expected, and that would give us an opportunity for us to connect with this demand area and then to look for further buys in on the spare. So I'm in a position with my stop in it here. So let's see how that plays out as I'm waiting, as I expect lower prices still on the dollar due to Trump also backing out um, from the Greenland deal, as he made some comments to de-escalate the situation, and so that's what I'm expecting for the day and towards to the end of this week, as let's see, as Denmark and Greenlandic officials plan to hold meetings. So let's see what happens from there on. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Number two, moving on to the dollar. Sorry, guys, my voice is a bit hoarse today. I'm feeling under the weather, to be honest, and it's been holding me down. This virus has been going around. So, number two, we have the dollar. As I expect, we're expecting lower prices as we've taken out liquidity and then broken structure. Now, this is just a retracement for us to look for further shorts on the dollar index, as with gold, as we discussed yesterday. All we're looking for is longs, right? And we're looking for it from liquidity low. It could start to push up from here as we had this liquidity being swiped, but gold, once we have that change of character, then we could just start pushing up. But one more push down would be ideal, but hopefully we get that, just a little bit of downward momentum, create this downward channel, and then we can break out and buy, right? And with silver, I like silver at the moment, as we discussed yesterday. We're waiting for all these lows to be grabbed, and now it's happened. So now this has become our area of demand, right? And then from there you could look for sells, but buys rather, but your stop would be beneath this low. Okay, yeah, we have this liquidity grabbed, and then now we're having that push up, but this is not the cleanest move up, right? So that's why I would put a safer stop, or you just wait for one retrace and then that push, and then you buy, as that would be a cleaner breakout. And with AU, you can see from this 3 monthly open, we've just been pushing up and we've not looked back. We still have our areas of liquidity resting beneath here. I'm still looking for more, as even the job data from Australia was good, so it helped push the market up higher. I'm looking for a retracement as we have another demand level right here. Yeah, so let's see what wants to happen. Now we have liquidity resting here, so I'm interested in this position. And then with GU, guys, with GU, you can see we swipe out this liquidity above, and from this 3 monthly open, we've been pushing down. This was our previous fractal structure that we broke, and now this is our fractal high, this is our fractal low. I would like to see a break of this low, and then from there I could take those short positions to edge against the dollar, but I'm not quite interested in dollar longs at the moment, so I think I would just be staying away from GU because both pairs are inadvertently weak. Moving on to NU. With NU, which you can see, we still continue pushing up, and as it's clear to see, now we're just moving a bit sideways. So I want we have liquidity low resting here, liquidity low resting here, so I want a lower price, and then we could enter based on that change of character. I will be keeping my eye out for this and see how it wants to play out. Yes, the JPY guys. Ever little slow, slightly. We've just been moving about this area, and honestly, I'm not really a fan of this at the moment. I think the Japanese government will step in at some point to intervene. So I'm not trying to call top on it, but also I'm not interested in buying it as of now. I would be interested if we see higher prices, and then we could get some nice positions, but not from here. And on USD CHF, as expected, this is bearish, and we're looking for lows, for lower prices. We have this area, this ascending lows here, still open, right? So many areas of liquidity to target to our left. So looking for short on this is not a bad idea, as we have here as our imbalance, our area of supply. Also here, also reasonable, we have this liquidity, right, and then area of supply rather. So maybe we get one more swipe up, and then from there we can start to sell. But from here also, it's not badly priced. And US 30 guys, from yesterday we started to push up, right, quite after we grabbed this liquidity which we discussed, and then from there we did, I thought we didn't even connect with the monthly or 3 monthly open, and now we've changed character. So if you got in this position, congratulations. That's beautiful, quite a beautiful position to take. Okay guys, thank you for your time. I wish you a wonderful day.